everybody. It's Abby Strong. Just going to give you a quick demo of our new product called TeacherView. One of the things that you're going to see from Aerohive going forward is that we're really trying to put the power into the hands of the people using the Wi-Fi. And teachers are a great example of this. As we were talking to a lot of them in the schools where we've deployed Aerohive access points, we learned that many of the teachers said that they were really walking around, making sure students were connected and accessing the resources that they were supposed to, instead of teaching the material that they had on their lesson plans. So one of the things that we came up with was this new product called TeacherView. And it gives teachers a very easy to view display. It shows them how the clients are connected using our new client health functionality, which will show how the clients are connected and what their association is like to the access point. We also allow teachers to turn on or off access to the school network and the internet, and also to redirect students to specific web pages so that they can control where students are going and force them all to that web page. From a teacher's point of view, it's a pretty easy experience. When they log on to TeacherView, they can turn off internet access and school network access and make sure that everyone's paying attention. And then they can also see immediately if one of the clients has an issue connecting to the access point, and then they can go work with that specific student instead of having to walk around and try to figure out who has the problem. Then they can turn on school network access and allow access to specific resources like email and Safari and things without allowing access to YouTube and Facebook and all of those other resources on the web. If they want to turn on internet access, they can, and then they can also force students to go to a specific web page. We've just launched the first version of TeacherView called TeacherView Cart, and it is delivered as a piece of Hive Manager. In this version, you do statically configure groups of students or computers and put them in what we call carts, and then whenever a teacher logs in, they will access the class that is tied to that student roster or cart. We are going to continue developing TeacherView, and we have a full version of TeacherView coming out, and that will have its own server and scale to much higher levels, especially for large school districts, and will integrate with student information systems to make sure we grab class schedules and student rosters. So a quick overview of how TeacherView Cart works. An IT administrator configuring the WLAN will push down all of the policy information to the access points, and this will include what SSIDs the students can connect to, what the firewall policies are, and of course all of our other functionality built into Hive Manager. Once that's configured, the teacher will be able to log in to Hive Manager, but they'll get a much simpler view and see just the information regarding their class. Regardless of how many access points the clients are connected to, the APs will collect that information and transfer it to the AP that has the most clients associated with it from that class. And then that is the access point that's going to deliver the TeacherView information to the teacher. If the teacher pushes out a policy update in order to force students to a specific web page or some of our future functionality, it will apply to all of the access points using our Hive AP cooperative control protocol. So I have a quick demo of what it looks like in TeacherView. So when a TeacherView first logs in, they'll get this class schedule roster, and they can choose which class they're interested in viewing. And they click on that, and we will redirect them, like I said earlier, to the access point that has the most clients associated with it. Then we give them a very easy to view display of the client health, how many clients are connected, and then they can control internet access and school network access, and also redirect any of these clients to a specific web page. If they need to select a new class later on, they can always click on select a new class, and we'll take them right back to the select a class page. That's it for TeacherView in this release. Thank you for watching.